We actually took the motor out so we could put in the Cobb turbo inlet.
Yeah, turbo inlet.
It's a lot easier that way. You don't really have to.
You don't have to fight it nearly as bad.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So in this video we will be we put the STI engine back in the STI. You probably missed out on the white Subaru that we had, the FA that we were building in the last video. Yeah, it turned out good. We already put it in the car, and the car is sold because he had traded in, like we said. So it's long gone.
It's full of premium on Race Wars, though.
Yeah, it's great. It is fun. And then so this one. What did this one? He's built this one in the past, and then it ended up blowing a head gasket because the guy overheated it. So we just did head gaskets and resurfaced the heads. But we just popped it back in. This one was much harder than the new ST or the new WRX for some reason. I have no idea why. I think it was just clearance between the turbo and the trans. But either way, it's together. So I think now we're gonna go work on our new storage unit, which we will show you that, as we got another unit on top of the other one in the last video. So
stay tuned. We got an engine building room now.
Engine building room.
It's air separated. You know, stays at 66 degrees
at all times.
Yeah, it's
dust-free environment.
Top of the line. I mean, you could paint the car in there if you really wanted to.
We just paint valve covers in there.
Yeah,
right.
Airbrush them.
Airbrush them. Kevin does it custom airbrushing, and he mods Xbox Ones.
Yep. And PlayStation.
Yeah, and PlayStations. All right, guys. Subaru's up on the lift for the night. Just gonna kind of show you what we're working with here. So this is our main shop with this with the lift. We have it looks much smaller kind of on camera than it actually is. It's kind of small, but that car's taking up some space. And then we have an opening over here. We want to put a hole in that corner because we have an office right here. Here's our other little office where Kevin's at. Were you trying to talk to me through the wall?
Yeah, did you hear me?
Yeah, what were we gonna say? So here's another little office with a restroom. Here's where we're gonna knock the hole. We just come across a couple problems that we need to talk to our landlord pretty much with. So we do have a water line and some AC lines. So what we would eventually end up doing is this is kind of how they are right now, and that's pretty much how we need them to be. But if we don't end up modifying this corner, we're just going to modify it inside of the office. More shop area over here, more over there. It's kind of dangling right now. So this wasn't, somebody had it like this in the past. I'm sorry if you hear that heater going. Come on, focus camera. Somebody had it like this in the past, so we just knocked out the doorway that was already there. They just had patched it and taped it off. But I think I showed, well no I didn't show. But here's this door on this side with a pretty big office. Enough for 2 people, obviously. We've got a little kitchenette over here with a little kitchen area, kind of. RO water, all that crap. Another restroom. Pretty nice little restroom. We've got another tiny, tiny little thing that I think is really meant to fit golf carts. Well, we've got the R33 in here right now. Here is another front office with some mirror tint. I'm all dirty. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're working with. We're gonna paint the walls and stuff and reframe that door this weekend. So anyways, that's kind of our plan. It is nice having this one connected, but we do need them all connected. So we're gonna be able to work on a car over here, maybe end up putting a lift right here, and then also we're gonna put another lift in there. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll buy another one, and then hopefully have that corner in there knocked out. So big things, huh, Kevin? Yeah. Totally big. Man, imagine how big this place would be if it didn't have this little office added on. So yeah, guys, that's kind of what we're working with and kind of what we're planning out. So for now, we're gonna push the R32s back in and get these things ready for the night to go to sleep. Tomorrow, we have some work to do. I gotta go to Nissan to do some work. Kev's gonna be here finishing up that Subaru probably.
My mind has been running around, thinking away. I'd rather be now.
If she's not, dude, it's not the end of the world.
Since you envisioned what you once dreamed of, will you take my hand? Come on.
We just gotta get somebody to...
Won't you take my hand and we can get away?
on the left front.
reflecting back when we are just love. And as we move, we'll see around
Also, I figured I'd show you guys the throttle body for the SR, the one that we built. It's in that Drift S14. Thing looks pretty crazy. It's a Ross Machine Racing 90mm. Beautiful throttle body. From what I understand, it was like literally barely made. Thing looks freaking sick though, man. So I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. We're pretty beat for today. We're kind of out of things we can do, right, Kev?
Yes.
For today. Anyways, we will update you guys during the weekend, probably. Well, it may be Monday or Tuesday for you guys. But for now, I guess we're gonna be out. So we will see you later. Tell them bye, Kev.
Bye.
Felicia! By the way, if you want cool shirts, like that shirt, not the jacket. We're not advertising the jacket. Go to the link in the description. They're pretty sweet shirts.
Appreciate it.
It's we're not advertising for some company that's not. We're not like, it's his company. We're good.